Hi, everybody. I just wanted to do a little review on latitude and longitude because we're going to be moving on onto something else tomorrow. The assignment really was just practice. You weren't expected to submit it. You'll find it in week 5. It's called Do More Practice number 2. So if you want some help, just follow along, pull that up. Now what you'll see is that you see how the prime meridian's all the way over here and the international date line's all the way over here at 180 degrees. That means we're looking only at the Western Hemisphere. So all of our longitude is going to be west. Given the latitude and longitude, find the letter of the location. So we're just going to follow the coordinates and see what letter corresponds with it and write it down here. All right, so let's start with number 1. We have 20 degrees north, 90 degrees west. Well, here's 20 degrees north, and here's 90 degrees west. You see right there, it's J. Now 0 degrees, it's on the equator, so it's not north or south, only 0 degrees, 50 degrees west. Well, if this is 90 and this is 60, we could tell that it's going by 15-degree intervals, right? So that'll be 75, that'll be 105 to 120 to 135. So if we're looking for 50, it's a little bit less than 60. We're at a 0 degree, we're at our equator, and there's 60, so that'll be 50 right there, 50 degrees west. So we'll make that F. 25 degrees south, it's 110 west. So 25 degrees, halfway between 20 and 30, and 110, here's 120, here's 105, there's 110, so it's B. 60 degrees north, 110 west. So the same longitude as B, except we're going to go up all the way to 60 degrees. And there it is, E. Number 5, 14 degrees north, 160 degrees west. So we'll go to 14, about halfway in between 10 and 20. And now we have to hit 160 degrees. Right there, A. And 41 degrees north, 50 degrees west. So let's hit to 41. 50 degrees west. So it's not going to be here. We're going to go all the way here, because remember, here's our 60-degree longitude. There's 50, so that's I. 40 degrees north, 160 west. 40 degrees. That's not 160. We're still in the 130s here. So C. 20 degrees south, 140 degrees west. Go down to 20 degrees. Go over to 140. We're at G. 44 degrees north, 130 degrees west. So 44. Here's 120. Here's 135. So right in the middle, there's D. Last one, 50 degrees south, 60 degrees west. So we're down to 50. Remember, longitude's getting lower as we head over to the prime meridian. It'll get larger, it increases as we go over to the international date line. So it leaves H. Okay. If you have any questions, let me know. If you want more of these videos, let me know.